Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Indo-Pacific Economic Framework. The US-led Indo-Pacific Economic Framework is holding a ministerial meeting in Singapore, with major firms also joining for the Clean Economy Investor Forum. The IPEF Clean Economy Investor Forum includes 22 major US companies such as Alphabet's Google, Microsoft, BlackRock, Bechtel, Citi, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley. This is the first in-person IPEF ministerial session since the substantial conclusion of negotiations under the Agreements for Clean Economy and Fair Economy in November 2023. The focus of the meeting will be on implementing these agreements and fostering investments in clean economy projects with significant participation from major companies. Let's now talk about IPEF. IPEF was launched jointly by the US and 14 partner countries of the Indo-Pacific region in 2022. It seeks to strengthen economic engagement among the partner countries with the goal of advancing growth, peace, and prosperity in the region. The 14 IPEF partners are Australia, Brunei, Fiji, India, Indonesia, Japan, South Korea, Malaysia, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, and United States. The framework is structured around 4 pillars: Pillar 1st, trade; Pillar 2nd, supply chains; Pillar 3rd, clean economy; and Pillar 4th, fair economy. India had joined Pillar 2nd to 4th of IPEF, while it has an observer status in Pillar 1st. Now it's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which country is leading the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework Initiative? Japan, India, US, or Australia? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.